The ceremonial opening of the legal year 2024 was held today. In his opening remarks, Chief Justice Andrew Chung stressed that when a court makes an unpopular or even a wrong decision, it does not follow that the justice system or the judiciary are malfunctioning or that they require reform.
Criticizing the judge's decision or reasons is one thing. Questioning the judge's integrity or professional impartiality is quite another. Likewise, a failure to separate a court decision from the judiciary as an institution is not helpful to the well-being of the common law system. Judges must be able to decide cases and explain their decisions in judgments without interference or illegitimate pressure. This is of cardinal importance to judicial independence. Threats of sanction or reprisal against judges for simply discharging their judicial duties are therefore repugnant to the rule of law and fundamentally objectionable.
The Chief Justice also emphasised that in the past few years the work of the judiciary has often been viewed through the prism of the national security law. He said that this way of looking at things necessarily results in a very narrow or even distorted picture of judicial work, and more generally of the state of the rule of law and judicial independence in Hong Kong.
But whatever may be said or written about our legal system, of this the community can be sure. Our courts and our judges will continue to discharge their constitutional duty to administer justice fairly and efficiently, without fear of favor, self-interest, or deceit. This, too, is essential to the continuation of the common law system in Hong Kong.
Also speaking at the event, Secretary for Justice Paul Lam emphasised that there is no evidence that the judiciary's independent judicial power has been compromised in cases involving national security.
All court hearings relating to national security are, generally speaking, held openly. More importantly, all decisions and judgments made by the court in this respect are publicized on the judiciary website, which is accessible for free. For any reasonable and objective bystander who is eager to seek the truth, he or she will not see one iota of evidence that the judiciary's independent judicial power has been compromised in cases involving national security. I wish to make it very clear that the Hong Kong SAR government will do its best and take whatever measure within its power to ensure that judges and judicial officers will be able to perform the judicial functions without fear from intimidation.